Hello guys, today we want to discuss about the top most Excel new tricks. So I think this video is most important. Please don't skip the video because I will explain the new tricks. So belongs the 2022 new tricks. I will explain everything as clear step by step. So if you still is beginner and you Excel, so also still watch because I will explain everything as step by step. So don't skip the video because I will say again, don't skip the video. Video is most important. Okay. So let's jump onto the video. So okay guys, so first I want to show you some calculations of Excel new tricks. So when lot of people when so many people are doing when calculating something, like I wanted to calculate entire mark, so they are doing all to plus are equal, so they get value. So other some people are doing like they're using formulas, beginners, so they're using formula this like. So I think this is not in a correct way, because these two things are involved. So what should I can do the new thing? So simply select this entire data. So I will explain the two tricks to calculation, not only sum and every formulas, so we can calculate easily, so without knowing any formulas. Okay, so I will explain. Please watch it and clean and clearly. So if you have any doubt in this section, so please comment down below. Okay, so let's select. I will tell you two tricks. Okay, in calculating this data. So okay, first you select entire data. So click on your keyboard, Control Q. So we have some dialog box. Okay, so let's move on to the total. So click on sum, you can get sum. So again you have to move on to the Control Q. So total, average, you can get average here. Okay, so also we can type your average cell name. So then what should we can do? Select this particular cell, so we have an average here. Okay, so this is one step. So I will explain another step. This is most and equivalent, what we call this step. I will say next step is most useful, so you can calculate entire thing one thing. So I will just copy this data. So why don't ask me, because so I will copy and put out this data in this table. So because when you are applying the format table, so we have some problems, so that's why. So just I will take, and some people are selecting what we call particular some, what we I will say explain some clearly. So some peoples they are selecting entire table, so like this drag and drop. So this is not in a correct way, I think. So keep it cell in one particular, anything, not only particular one cell, you have some data in that particular cell. So simply we can put it on that particular cell in cursor and simply Control A, so automatically entire data will selected. Click on your table, Control T, so table format will be applied. Click on OK. So next what should we can do? We have an open automatically table design tab. Now click on total row. So automatically you can get the total sum. So afterwards we have some drop down menu here. Okay, so in this drop down menu we have plenty of users. Simply click on this thing. So we have a max value. So again you can click on, we have a mean value, so average. You can like this, you can do. So this is the most useful. Otherwise you can apply any formulas like VLOOKUP formulas. You can have any count, max. So everything is available on this thing. So this type is most useful. And again I will say something. So when you are applying the format table, so simply we have some drop down menus here. Okay, so we can use in this drop down menu having some tricks. This is most useful when drop down menu. Okay, so I will filter something, so just click in it. So if you want on particular name tables of data, so we want on particular one person data. So in that person in the table is available or not, if that person table marks is how much. So you want to calculate one particular person, so simply go on to the drop down menu, click on here. So type that person name. I will type one person name. Otherwise they are also showing some names. Okay, just click on it. In particular name data only it's available. Okay, so otherwise you can check marks also. You can marks is available, so you can marks also get it. So like do this way, you can filter everything what should I can do. Okay, so next trick goes to like when you have in this data, so we have plenty of duplicates. So how should we can remove this all the duplicates? Simply put on cursor in any cell, click on the Control A, automatically table, entire table was selected. Go to the table design. So in these tools we have a remove duplicates. Click on it, select all cell. Okay, name, marks, entire thing you have to what we call duplicate, so otherwise you can enter names only duplicate, or just you can delete it. Click on OK. Okay, so automatically it's duplicate deleted and also calculate entire marks particular that what we call here have marks only, it's calculated. This type of help people in table format, that's why I will saying table format is most useful. Okay, so next I will show you what we call when particular cell you can move, we have some message box. So don't be do this thing, we have some don't edit this box, so we have some showing a text message. What should we can do? Just click on any particular cell, move on to the view tab, sorry, so move on to the data tab, go to the data validation. So click on data validation, go to the input message, click type here. So I will show a simple TITLE, so simple I will put on title, you can type anything. So don't uh, edit values. Okay, just I will click on it. Okay, so when one person particularly move here, so it says don't edit values, this type. So you can show this type what we call messages to anyone. Okay, so let's I will show you another trick. So this trick is most important, so don't skip the video when particular. So we want to show the Naveen, so when you want to move a Naveen particular name, so we want to show the Naveen photo. So what should we can do to showing the Naveen photo? So simply you can put it on here Naveen photo. That's not an correct way. When you move on to the particular cell, we have to show the Naveen photo. So click on Naveen, what we call Praveen cell. So go to the review tab. So click on new comment. So we have a dislike. Okay. So just click on here border side of box. So and right click on it. So go to the format comment and move to the colors and lines. Go to the here color panel and click on drop down or go to the fill of effects. So go to the pictures and select the pictures work in offline. So I will select one particular picture and insert it. So click on OK. So here click on OK, then you can move one particular person in private, so then you can show the image. So this type you can do to show the some particular images. Okay, so next I will show you one person, if any person didn't edit anything, like what we call protect our sheet, lock our sheet, simply select our table and go to the protect sheet here. So in this review tab only, so what should we can do, format cells, format rows, so what should we can do, otherwise we can put what password also, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will, so I will put again 1 2 3 4 5 6. So simply lock on every cell, so you can edit our object, so otherwise we cannot edit. So select what should preference we have, simply OK. So again asking re-enter password. Okay, just you have to edit, so it's not cell you are trying to change the protected sheet, change unprotected sheet, you must be request the password. Okay, so if one person wanted to change anything, you didn't change, so what should you can do, you have to change again. So simply click on it, you can move on the unprotect, enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6, simply OK. Let's, you can edit anything, right? So this type you can do. Okay, let's we move on to the next some tricks, so don't be skip the video. So I will explain everything step by step. So in this tricks, so if you like anything, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. So I will I will tell you something for the new. So when you want to open anything, Excel or Word, anything, first you can should do one thing, uh, go to the page layout and click on select the pages and portrait like, and this way particular pages, then afterwards you can move on to the work with you with the sheets. So otherwise you have facing some problems and issues in after you have to typing the data. So that's why I will saying first you have to set your page and afterwards you can work with these things. Okay, so another anything is there, so I will just check it. So text to column, select data, text to column, right. So I will show you another best trick. So I will right, so I will delete this data. So I will write some names, go to the home tab, blank. Okay, uh, Okay, leave it this thing. I will write some data like, so we have some these two persons. How should we can combine these two names? So we have a Rakesh Bali is two, not a two names, it's one name. So how should we can, like this way? I will show you how should we can do type this, like, so we have a plenty of data. This is not possible to write every name. Okay, so first what should we can do? Simply I will copy this again. Okay, so I will delete this. Okay, let's combine this all the names. So first you have to write this one particular name person. So then go to select the cell and click on the control E on your table. So automatically it's write everything like this way. So this is the most useful trick. So let's check it. So you can know, don't know, I don't know. So let's go to next another trick. So when you wanted to write serial numbers like 1 2 3, so this is not in a correct way. Some people are doing like drag and drop. So this are doing 2, then select these two cells and click on it like this way. So I think this is also not in correct way. These are the old things. Simply type 1 here and go to select this cell and move on the fill here. So you have a series. So let's rows or columns. Do you have anything? So just I will select columns. So how much? Just I will take 10. Nothing you have to take anything. Just automatically let's apply 10 columns. Okay. So this also you can do. So anything is like clipboard group also available. So formulas, data, review. Yeah guys, we have another lot plenty of tricks. So I will explain everything on next video. So okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.